Hey guys, so I just landed a pretty good sponsorship and I got these decals made as my end of the deal, and I'm gonna install them on my car. But first and foremost, I'm gonna give it a wash so it looks good and so these could adhere properly. And then from there, I'm gonna show you guys the method I'm gonna use to install them, which will be a wet method, meaning I'm gonna spray it with soapy water both on the sticker side as well as the car. And then I'm gonna dry it off with the heat gun and peel off the paper, and that'll be pretty much it. This is my new sponsor, Z Performance Complete Automotive and Muffler in Corona, California. And if you guys go to them, make sure you let them know Randy Famoso sent you. Their only sponsored driver. So I'm gonna head out and I'm gonna get started on this. These are gonna look dope. They're chrome. I'm excited to see them. I'm excited for you guys to see them. So I'll see you out there. So the tools I'm used to wash my car are this hose attachment from Harbor Freight that's only $11. A few small towels. It's like any car soap is fine. And this brush. So I'm not going into too much detail on the wash because I'm sure you guys know how to wash your car or know where to get it washed. But that's all I'm gonna use, and I'm gonna do this pretty quick because I don't really care about details. It's a drift car. It looks clean from far. That's all that matters. Alright, so I got this thing set up. I'm ready to go. And whoever saw my burnout video, check this out. I was supposed to power wash these off, but my mom said they look cool, so to leave them. So yeah, these are going to be here until they naturally go away in a few months or a year or whatever. Let's get this started. So this tool has all these different settings that you could spin around, and then back here you adjust how much soap comes out, and then right here you adjust the pressure. So I mean, here you adjust how much soap comes out, and here you adjust the pressure. So that's how you use it. I'm just give it a quick rinse and then a little bit of soap, a scrub, dry it off, and I'm good. Okay, so I just finished rinsing it and found out my hose is broken. So make sure you subscribe so I could get a new hose after I get my first YouTube check. Alright, but seriously, time to soap it up. I changed the setting to something a little softer just to get the soap on it because a little bit goes a long way. This isn't a foam cannon by any means. It's just a attachment that happens to have soap, and it works pretty good. I mean, it's better than applying it by hand. I've now covered the whole thing in soap, and I'm gonna wet this brush and just give it a quick scrub, rinse it off, and then we can move forward. All right, just finished scrubbing, gonna rinse it off, and then we're gonna get down to the decal. So I'm now done washing it and rinsing it. So I'm gonna just dry it with those small towels I showed you guys at the beginning. And we could get to work on the decal. Always remember, whether you're washing, rinsing, or drying, always start from the top and work your way down. It is now dry, and I'm gonna start gathering up the supplies to install the decal. All right, so here's my necessary tools to mount these stickers. So I'm gonna use, the stickers themselves need to be here. They're made out of vinyl. I made them on Photoshop, then I got them made by a decal shop. And then I have masking tape just to line it up and hold it up if I need to. A pen to mark it in case I want more precision from the masking tape. Measuring tape to measure exactly where I want it. This round 1 card, I'm gonna use that as my squeegee, and then here's some soapy water in a spray bottle. And here's this heat gun. I'm not sure if I showed it yet, but I'm gonna use this. Since I'm gonna apply it wet, I'm gonna use it to dry it after, so it's ready quicker. But either way, after install, I'm not gonna wash it because it's already washed. But in case you haven't already washed it and you want to, you have to wait like a day or two to let it cure before you could actually wash it and not wash away your decal. So we're gonna start like mocking it up, and then we're gonna do the install. All right, so I mocked it up using some masking tape, and I used this level to make sure that it was level with the ground because the door itself isn't level with the ground. So I had to make sure that just when you're looking at it, it is level. And yeah, after that, I'm gonna just lift this whole thing up, peel off the white paper from the back, spray it down with the soapy water, both on the sticker and the door, put it down, squeegee out the water, hit it with the heat gun, and it'll be done. So peel it back from the corner carefully. This has 3 layers, a white layer, the sticker layer, and the clear layer. So just make sure that all the sticker stays on the clear layer, so do it carefully so you don't lose it. We're only gonna peel it from the bottom, but you could do it whatever way you see fit for your job. And be extra careful around the edges with small letters and stuff like that. Okay, so I've unstuck the white paper and now I'm gonna spray it with soapy water. I'm gonna spray the sticker and the car. There's different ways to do this, but this one has a lot of benefits. All right, after spraying it down, I'm gonna squeegee it out with this round 1 card. Okay, so I now finished squeegeeing it off, and I'm going to hit it with the heat gun for a little bit so that it could adhere better. And then I'm gonna take off the clear part, and that'll be it for this side. Okay, so I finished drying it up and squeegeeing it out, and I peeled the clear part off, and it's now done, and it looks nice and clean. It has minor imperfections because I'm not an expert at this, but it looks pretty good, and this is a very complex design, so if you have a more simple design, it should be way easier. All right, everyone, so I cut off the video while I did the other side because I didn't think I needed to show you guys the same thing twice. Anyway, I love how it looks. I'm very grateful for my new sponsor. I hope you guys learned how to do this. It's really not that hard. I think anyone could do it. And yeah, that just about wraps up the video. This sponsor is gonna hook me up with an exhaust setup, so I'm gonna go get that maybe in this upcoming week or the week after that, depending on shipping of the necessary parts. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you leave a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure you leave a comment in the comment section below. So I'll see you guys next time.